This is the end result of this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to set this website up within the next 15 minutes. So you're going to have a homepage with all the travel destinations. You're going to have an about page, packages and contact, a book button that's going to take you to the contact form where people can get in touch with you. And I'm going to be showing you the cheapest and fastest possible way to get everything set up. So to have a website, you need two things. You need a domain, which is mybusiness.com or something like that, and it costs about $10 a year, and a host, which has different prices, but I'm going to show you the cheapest one you can find. Okay, so to be completely transparent with you guys, I am affiliated with two popular hosting providers. One is hosting.com and the second one is hostinger.com. There's links to both of them in the description. If you use my links to make a purchase, it basically gives me a small commission and it helps me continue making these videos. If you don't want to use the affiliate links, you can just go directly to the websites, and that's totally fine. So at the time I'm making this video, Hosting has a deal that starts at $199 and Hostinger starts at $299 a month. Hosting has a better 1-year option. It totals to $24, and that includes the domain for the first year. Okay, so let's just go with 1 year, and then server location, just pick the closest location to your users. I'm gonna go with Germany because I'm in Europe. And then register a new domain. Let's just go with myawesomebusinessllc.com. Let's see if that's available. It is. Add to basket. Okay, great. Confirm and proceed. Okay, now for some reason they make you buy the domain for 2 years, but we can change that. Just click on edit and then switch from 2 years to 1 year, and that makes it free. Confirm and proceed. Okay, great. So now that totals to $24. Let's proceed to checkout. Okay, continue. Okay, let's add our billing. Okay, great. Order complete. And now we can just go and set up our website. Okay, so go to all products. And then go to login to control panel. Click on that one. Okay, now scroll down and find WordPress Manager. And click install. Now the protocol should be HTTPS and the directory should be empty. Don't change anything else. Then go and set your site name and then set the description. Uncheck all these plugins. Then set an admin username, a password, and make sure to add your own email and then click install. Okay, so now let me show you how to install it on Hostinger. And just go to dashboard, then go to websites, create, business, pick WordPress, click select, then set the language, add your email and the password, click continue, uncheck all these plugins, then skip the AI thing, and you should have the WordPress installed. If you open the website, you should be looking at a fresh WordPress install. And now we're going to set the theme and start customizing it. So the way we do that is just add /admin at the end of the URL. And that's going to take you to the login page. So click login. Okay, now let's go to appearance themes. Go to add theme and search for Bosa Travel. We're going to go with the second one, Travel Tour. Click install. Okay, now let's activate it. Okay, now let's click get started with the theme. Okay, so now everything is installed. Let's dismiss these banners. Okay, now let's import the first theme and click import demo. Okay, great. It has installed. Now let's take a look at what we currently have. Okay, so we have the homepage set up. It looks great. Then we have the About Us section, destination. Okay, so now let's start making some changes and add our own details and pictures. So the way you do that is you click on Customize. Okay, and now let's look at the header. So go to Header on the left side and click on Style. So you have the logo. If you click Select and then select files, you can upload your own logo. You can change the phone number, or you can just simply hide the contact details if that's what you want. I'm just gonna leave them like that. The email, the address, and then the social links. If you want to change them, hit OK. Go to Customize again, and then find social media, elements, and then you have the social links. You can expand them, you can add your own link, or you can just remove some of them if you don't use if you don't have that specific social platform. Now you have so if you go to header again, and scroll down, you have the header button. And if you want to hide this, so it's this button. If you want to hide it, that's how you do it. So you can disable it. We're going to keep it right now with links to the contact page. So you can link it. You can add the button link right here. Actually, it doesn't. Let's just link it to contact. Okay, so it's contact. Let's publish. And yeah, we're pretty much done with the header, except the last thing we may want to do is change the menu. So click on the edit, and then you have primary menu. So we have the menu, but maybe we don't need all these pages. So for example, we don't want to have the blog. Let's get rid of it and the testimonials. Expand, remove. And that looks fine. Let's update it, and that looks great. Now let's focus on the footer. So let's go again to customize and find footer. Okay, footer widgets. Let's scroll down, take a look. So if you want to change the text, for example, you can click on the edit and then just edit the text right here. If you want to add blocks to this column, that's how you do it. If you want to change the contact information, just click edit. You can update the email and the phone and the address. Useful links, if you want to add content the same exact way. Social links, you edit from the social tab like we just did a while. So go to social media and elements. That's how you do it. The logo gets updated automatically if you set it in header, if you set it in site identity, and then travel tour. Okay, so once you're done with making changes on the header and the footer, now let's start making some changes on the actual page. Click on edit with Elementor. Let's close this. Now, if you want to make any change, so if you want to change this banner picture, just right click and edit banner. Then go to style and you have the image, choose image, and then insert media. You can add your own image. If you want to change text, just click on the text layers and just add your own text. If you want to remove things, if you want to remove this button, for example, just right click and delete. And you can do the same exact thing to any of these sections. If you want to remove one of these, that's how you do it. And it gets resized automatically. To change links, click edit, and you have link right here on the left. Just add your link. There's a YouTube video in this play button. Click on edit video, and you can change the URL, the YouTube URL right here. Everything is completely customizable, and all you have to do is just click on the edit button and just add your own details. So we don't have the blog. Let's get rid of this section. Right click. So delete this. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now you have this plus button. So we don't have a way to pay through the website right now. You can also set that up if you want to, but we're not going to do it in this video. So we're probably going to remove this button. We don't really need it. Right click, delete. By the way, if you want to set payments up, so the way you do it is you go to your homepage and then go to dashboard, WooCommerce, go to home, and then set things up, set up my store. Okay, continue. Pick your industry, region. Let's just pick some random region. Continue. Okay, you can skip those. Okay, then just create a product, set the price, and then publish it, and then go to WooCommerce settings and set up the payments. So you have payments. There's plugins to set up PayPal or take offline payments in person, or you can add more payment options. You can read more about it. But the point is, if you want to set online payments, it is possible, and you would just link this button to WooCommerce/shop. You would have a list of products here, so people would be able to simply buy. But like I said, we're gonna keep things simple. For now, people would need to contact you to arrange the payment details and the date and everything. So yeah, for now, we're just gonna link these buttons, I guess, to contact, to book now, which is contact. So the way you do that is you just paste the link right here and hit publish, and that should do it. Now, if someone clicks on it, it takes them to the contact page and they can discuss with you further details. Okay, so that's how you edit the page. Now, About Us works the same exact way. Click just edit. And then just start adding your own content. Edit numbers, add pictures, and everything. And once you're done, just hit publish. Destination, the same exact way. Add your own images. If you want to remove sections, just right click and remove. Packages, same thing. Link the plus, or either link it to contact or just remove it entirely, this plus button. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Change the phone number, the icons, and then contact page. Okay, let's set up this contact form first of all. So click edit, and then you have edit right here, select the form. That looks good. Now you can obviously change all these details. And then the last thing you're going to do is you have the map. So if you want to set up the map, you're going to need the Google API key. So you're going to have to add it here. To create one, click here. You would have to create a Google account, add your credit card information, and get a key. So they have a free tier, a limited free tier. They give you a few credits. I don't remember exactly how many credits, but the point is, once you go past that limit, they will charge you. So if you don't want to bother with spending more money, you can simply remove the map. And I mean, you already have the address at the bottom right here. You can even add it here. So right click duplicate, and you can add icon, address, pin. Okay, let's go with this map pin, and then just add the address right here. And that should be fine. Then hit publish. And that should work. So at this point, you have everything set up except the links in the footer. I mean, you can add those easily if you want to add them. Like I just showed you, just go to customize and footer and add things to your section. Okay, if you don't have a logo, you can go to canva.com and travel agency logo, and just pick from any of these templates, add your own business name, and then customize its style, change the colors, and then just export it. And yeah, like I said, just go to customize and then site identity and replace this logo, and it should be fine. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you set everything up. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments below. I will try to answer them. If you find this video useful, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, that's pretty much it.